This is brought to you by Maedot Academy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I hope you have successfully installed Arduino IDE software. In this tutorial we will introduce you to Arduino IDE software. Now let's open the software. When you open the Arduino software or when you create new Arduino project on the software, you will see the Arduino IDE software with two built-in empty functions. Those are void setup function and void loop function. We will learn about them in upcoming video. As you can see on the left top corner, there are a variety of buttons. Let's see each one by one. The right sign is called verification button. It used to verify that our code is free of error. The right arrow button next to the verification button is upload button, which used to upload our code onto the Arduino board. The button next to the right arrow is used to start new project. The upward arrow is used to open existing project from specific folder. The downward arrow is used to save our project to specific folder. In order to upload our code onto Arduino board, first we have to choose our board type by visiting board, then choose your board type. In addition to choosing the board type, we have to also choose the appropriate port number in order to upload the code onto the Arduino board. And then we have to press the upload button. The last but not the least interesting thing which we gonna to see in this tutorial is pre-built example codes in Arduino IDE. To get pre-built Arduino example codes, we have to go to File, Examples. Then we can see a variety of example codes. You can open and use or modify specific pre-built code. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.